In this video, I'm going to go through an active trade idea that I'm actively in right now. Okay, so I detected this trade idea. This is Germany 30. So I detected this trade idea about 2 hours ago. This was detected after Germany 30 had 6 consecutive green candles. Okay, so I went to the BackTester to look at what previously happened in this situation. Right? So what happened in this situation? So we see how many times we see the profit and we see the loss. So we see that the profit hit sometime, this hit after 40 minutes, after 55 minutes, after 90 minutes, after 115 minutes, right? So I've been in this trade for about 2 hours, right? So this trade you have to be patient for, because I realized that after this it hit the 40 minutes, it was going down, up and down a little bit, nothing going. So what I realized is that I may have to be patient and wait 2 hours. So that's what I did. So it's been 2 hours, and now I'm starting to hit my profit, right? Right here, we see, right, it's entry price, and we see that I hit my first profit target. And it's going up. Now we could also see in the back over here, right, we can see. So sometimes it goes up, goes down. But a lot of times, if you're patient and you look at the backtest of data to see what may happen, right? So I wasn't scared. I knew that it may go up. It was going up and down, up and down. But when it started going up, I realized that I'm hitting my profit target. And yeah, you can see that right here. So also here's the real-time chart, right? So we got in, and then we got in like about right here. It started going down, up, and then it started going up, right? So we waited for our trade idea to culminate, right? It's been 2 hours. And soon I'll get out with hopefully a profitable trade.